Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Respected listeners and viewers, from today I am going to start a series of lectures on Quran recitation with English translation and a short tafsir. Let's start with the opening surah of Quran, Al-Fatiha. Surah Al-Fatiha is the first surah of the Holy Quran. According to the majority of the Islamic scholars and experts of Quranic knowledge, this surah is a Makki surah. This surah has 7 verses. This is agreed opinion. Anyhow, some Islamic scholars include Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim in surah, and some says it is not the part of Surah Al-Fatiha. This surah, Surah Al-Fatiha, has more than one names like Ummul Kitab, Ummul Quran and many others, but the most commonly known and commonly used name is Al-Fatiha. The primary literal meaning of the expression Al-Fatiha is the opener. If we take grammatical analysis of the word Al-Fatiha, it came from the root word Fataha, which means to open something. Muslims used to recite this surah in every prayer. Our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said in one of the most authentic book of hadith, in Sahih al-Bukhari, it is mentioned in Sahih Bukhari that La salata liman lam yakrah bi fatihatil kitab. There is no salah without the opening chapter of the book. It is one of the earliest revelation to the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. It was actually the first complete surah revealed to the Holy Prophet. Surah Al-Fatiha is actually the prayer which Allah Almighty has taught to all who want to read this holy book. This surah teaches the man to pray for guidance to the Sirati Mustaqim, the straight path. Let's read the surah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. With the name of Allah, the all merciful, the very merciful. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. All praise to Allah, the Lord of all world. Ar-Rahmanir Rahim, the most gracious, the especially merciful. Malik Yawmiddin, the master of the day of judgment. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. It is you alone we worship and you alone we ask for help. Ihdina sirat al-mustaqim. Guide us to the straight path. Sirat al-lazina an'amta alayhim. The path of those upon whom you have bestowed favor. غَيْرِ الْمَغْضُوبِ عَلَيْهِمْ وَالضَّالِّينَ. Not of those who have evoked your anger, not of those who are misguided.